Dear students, today we are continuing coordinate geometry. This is session 2 and we are solving some problems based on the revision that we had in the first session. In the first session we had made a list of all formulae and revised them, namely the distance formula, the section formula, the midpoint formula, the formula for the area of a triangle, and the formula for the coordinates of the centroid. I am adding one more statement to that. The centroid divides the median in a ratio 2:1. Make a small note about that in your fair note. I repeat, the centroid divides any median of the triangle in a ratio 2:1. Okay, today we are starting the problems, and the first problem is displayed. R 3, 1, 6, 4 and 8, 6 collinear. These 3 points are named as A, B and C. We can solve this problem in 2 different ways. One is by using the distance formula, and the other one is by using the formula to find the area of the triangle. By using the distance formula, what we'll do is we'll try to find out the distance between A and B, that is AB, find the distance between B and C, that is BC, and then find the distance between A and C, that is AC. If we get the sum of any 2 segments is equal to the third one, then the 3 points A, B and C are collinear. And if you have not understood what that word collinear means lying in a same straight line segment. So the first part of the problem, I'll find the distance between A and B by using the formula x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square root of that. A corresponds to 3, 1, that is taken as x1 y1, and B corresponds to 6, 4, that is taken as x2 y2. That is equal to root of x2 is 6 minus x1 is 3 whole square plus y2 is 4 minus y1 is 1 whole square equal to root of 6 minus 3 is 3. 3 whole square is 3 multiplied by itself 2 times, that is 9, plus 4 minus 1 is 3. 3 square is 3 multiplied by itself 2 times, that is 9. That is equal to square root of 9 plus 9 is 18. We can simplify it further by writing 18 as a product of 9 and 2. That is equal to, I know the value of root of 9, that is 3. Root 2, which is not known, is kept as it is, so many units. So the first part is over. AB is equal to 3 root 2 units. Likewise, we will find out what is BC, and the formula remains the same, the distance formula, x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square. The first alphabet B, that corresponds to the second point given 6, 4, that is taken as x1 y1, and the second alphabet C corresponds to 686, that is taken as x2 y2. Now if I substitute, root of x2 is 8 minus x1 is 6 whole square plus y2 is 6 minus y1 is 4 whole square, that is equal to root of 8 minus 6 is 2. 2 whole square is 2 into 2, that is 4. 6 minus 4 is 2. 2 whole square is 4. That is equal to root of 8. And root of 8 can be written as, this radicand 8 can be split as 4 into 2. And that gives me root of 4 is 2, root 2 units. So I have the value for the distance between BC. BC is 2 root 2 units. Now the third part is AC. AC is found out by the same formula, the resistance formula. A corresponds to 3, 1 taken as x1, y1. C corresponds to 8, 6 taken as x2, y2. So I will have AC is equal to x2 is 8 minus x1 is 3 whole square plus y2 is 6 minus y1 is 1 whole square equal to root of 8 minus 3 is 5. 5 whole square is 5 into 5, 25. 6 minus 1 is 5. 5 whole square is 5 into 5, 25. That is equal to root of 25 plus 25 is 50. That is again equal to 50 can be split as 25 into 2. And I will get that equal to square root of 25 is 5 root 2 units. So I have found out AB, I have found out BC, and I have found out AC. AB is equal to 3 root 2 units. BC is equal to 2 root 2 units. And AC is equal to 5 root 2 units. If we see the three values, then we can easily tell that AC is equal to AB plus BC. That is, AC is 5 root 2, that is equal to AB is 3 root 2 plus BC is 2 root 2. Therefore, I get the value AC is equal to AB plus BC, 3 root 2 plus 2 root 2 is 5 root 2. The meaning is, in this figure, A is at one end, C will be the other end, B lies in between A and C, and the distance between A and B is 3 root 2 units. The distance between B and C is 2 root 2 units. The distance between A and C from A till C will be 5 root 2 units. Therefore, I have the 3 points A, B and C in a same straight line, and therefore A, B and C are collinear. This is solved by using the distance formula.